welcome to Growing Guitar and to a great song from Against the Current. It's called Blindfolded. So this one is a little bit rocker side here, but anyway, fits and suits well for acoustic guitar. So we'll cover this one and we'll go without any cape on this one. And we'll start with the chords. There are 5 different chords for this song. Let's go with this A sharp sus chord. That's a bar chord here. A bar placed on the 1st fret from the A string and down. So it's all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings, bar here on the 1st fret, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Then we have the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D minor next, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. F next, another bar chord, again on the 1st fret, this time over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So we will dive right into the first verse here. Grab this A sharp chord because we need to look at the strumming pattern. And yeah, one strumming around, it's pretty long. It will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Like this. Down, up, and then clap, up, down, up. So, in a context, a couple of rounds will sound like this. So we are ready now for the verse, and the chord progression here will be A sharp, 2 strumming rounds, C, 1 round, and D minor, 1 round. That chord progression, A sus 2, C 1, D minor 1, you play that for 4 rounds. It goes like this. That is 1, A sharp. So for 4 rounds you go with this chord progression, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus. That one starts again with this A sharp. This time we will change the strumming pattern. Goes up a little bit in tension here, in tempo. So you will now play down, up, clap, up. Okay? So down, up, clap, up. So with that, you're gonna play A sharp 2 times, then F2, D minor 2, and C2. Then A sharp 2, F2, then comes A2, and then the final A again, you will play 8 fast down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it adds up here, builds up for the chorus that comes right after. So to summarize, A sharp 2, F2, D minor 2, C2. Then A sharp 2, F2, A2, and then 8 fast downs still on A. That brings us to the chorus. We'll continue with the same strumming, the down, up, clap, up. And I will speak again while I'm playing. And the chorus goes like this. A sharp 2, D minor 2, F2, C2. Then A sharp 2, D minor 2, F2, all that, consider that as one chord progression. You will play that for 2 rounds. So again, just to repeat everything, A sharp 2, D minor 2, F2, then C2. All right, that's the first half of it. Then the second half starts in the same way with the first 3 chords. A sharp 2, D minor 2, F2, still the same. And then on the second half here, now we play A2. So that's the only difference. The first half, you end with the C2, and the second half, you end with the A2. All that is 1 round, play that for 2 rounds, and that is your chorus. And then after that, you repeat everything in the same way. The second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus is played in the exact same way as we just learned. And after that, the second chorus comes a bridge part. It's about 2 minutes and 8 seconds into the song. You're gonna now go back to the verse strumming, the down, up, clap, up, down, up. And you're gonna play A sharp 1, C1, D minor 1, F1. A sharp 1 again, C1, then F2. Consider all that as 1 round. You're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So just repeat everything. A sharp 1, C1, D minor 1, F1. Starts in the same way on the second half. A sharp 1, C1, and now F2. 2 rounds of that, and that brings us to the final chorus. And this final chorus is played in the same way as the previous choruses, so nothing changes there. And that wraps it up for Against the Currents, Blindfolded. Good luck with this guitar rock song, and yeah, have fun. Till next time, guys. Play tuned.